Hello, let's use L293D motor driver integrated circuit with Arduino to control 2 motors. This microchip can control up to 4 motors, but if we want to change direction of rotation, then we are limited to up to 2 motors. I will now show the complete assembled circuit drawing so that you can use it in your design. The important thing is how to identify pin numbers of our microchip. To identify pin numbers, use the dot at one of the corners of the integrated circuit. This dot is pin 1. Let's look at physical integrated circuit. So here you can see the dot. It is pin 1. Position the chip like this, and pins will go on the left side from 1 to 8, top to bottom, and on the right side from 9 to 16, bottom to top. Let me show you the pinout of the integrated circuit. Here you see pin numbers and corresponding pin functions. Let's try how it works in simulation. I will insert my integrated circuit into the breadboard so that pin 1 goes to line 12. And let's look at our code. In the code, I initialize my motors, so I use 2 motors, and here you see pins corresponding to those motors. Also, 2 of them should be always enabled. In the main loop, I simply turn some pins on and off, and doing that, I control direction of rotation. Let's start simulation and see how it works. So first motor rotates, second motor rotates, and they switch directions. After uploading our program into the Arduino, you can see that it works the same as in simulation, so you can take this code and use in your projects. The code is available in GIST as always. That's all for this video. Next time we will use Raspberry Pi with the same integrated circuit. Thank you for watching.